In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Canon Pixma TS7720 printer. Let's get started. So on the display over here, press the home screen. If you're not on the home screen the way you see it over here, you're going to tap once on the settings icon down below. Then you're going to select Printer Settings. Go down, and the last option should be Reset Settings. Tap on it, and now you can have a few choices. So you have Web Service Setup Only. Honestly, just leave this alone. What you can reset is over here, the Wi-Fi. When you see LAN settings only, it means Wi-Fi. So do you want to reset the Wi-Fi settings only and the rest stays? If this is what you want, you're gonna press here. If you want to do a complete factory reset, you're going to go all the way down and select Reset All. Then you're going to press Yes. It will take around a minute. You're going to get a confirmation message. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment and comment down below. If you didn't like it, I want to know why. Honestly, I really wonder why. So leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.